Please help! The police! A giant python is now wrapping itself around a cow!
Right, men, on three. 1, 2, 3.
Police, how can I help you?
Please help! The police! A giant python is now wrapping itself around a cow!
Stop talking, open the door, and leave.
Police also walked in and sat down and gathered. Let's get ready to go and rescue the cows that were bitten by the giant python. The police also ran away, and when they got outside, they all got on the chariot.
Let's go, let's go! We have to make it to the chopper!
Okay, ready to lift. Easy does it.
Make sure those straps are secure.
Right, men, on three. 1, 2, 3.
The cow is in good health. The doctor said we delivered a healthy calf.
Isn't it cute?
Isn't it cute? We need to get them to the farm quickly.
Agreed. They need a more natural environment.